Magandang umaga sa inyo. Kumusta kayo dyan? Ang sarap pag umaaraw. Sana umaraw na sa bayan natin. Sana mawala na lahat ng kadiliman. Yun ang pangarap ko. I believe na pwedeng mangyari. We have to believe. So let's believe, right? That all the darkness that's happening in our country right now will just be diminished and totally go away, because there is so much light, so much goodness, so much hope. So I believe in the Philippines that's peaceful, happy, prosperous, and most of all beautiful. Have a beautiful day.